Are you looking to upgrade your Ford 430 engine with an Edelbrock carburetor in under 5 minutes? Well, this video's for you. The customer requested a quick installation to assess the rest of the vehicle. The foo-foo stuff will be addressed at a later date to make things look good. Here's a list of the things you'll need to make this job look good. No specialty tools required. Drain your antifreeze if you have a coolant-controlled choke. Remove throttle springs and linkage and save everything for reinstallation. Unbolt the 4 7/16 nuts. Secure the carburetor tag for future reference. Remove the coolant hoses from the carburetor choke. Remove the metal distributor vacuum line with a 3/8 wrench. The center stud and intake is restricting the throttle. If we remove it and insert a 2.5-inch 3/8 thread bolt in its place, you will gain clearance. Gently bend the bracket out of the way so we can gain access to the stud. Install a standard intake manifold bolt. Double check your throttle clearance. Success. Adjustable throttle linkage rods are readily available. Second modification, throttle linkage needs to be a 1/4 inch longer and I had to drill a hole for a cotter pin. Customer decided to massage the linkage with a hammer, which stretched it out a 1/4 inch. It wasn't necessarily pretty, but it worked perfect. Install the carburetor mounting gasket. Install the carburetor, install the washers and carburetor mounting nuts. Install carburetor springs and linkage. The 1/4 inch was perfect and maintained the transmission shifter adjustment. Install the rear vacuum plug if not used. Install vacuum line to the port indicated and plug off unused ports. Plug the water ports for the old choke using a coolant plug and a hose clamp. Install choke ground wire provided to carburetor housing. Hook the positive side to key on. I used the coil power. We installed an aftermarket Edelbrock fuel pump to deal with the hydro lock issues these motors have. You can check that video out here. Install your fuel line. Prime the carburetor with fuel before starting. Warm the car up to temperature and then tune.